You know, just immediately after Dele Farotimi was released, he made some big, heavy, hefty, convincing statements. Oh, please, I want to beg you. This video I want to play for you. I want you to watch it to the very end. Please subscribe to Akok TV. Comment. Tell me, you where they look at me, tell me what you feel in the comment section. Kindly share this video so that it can get to many people. But before I play this video for you, you know, in life, we have different reasons why we fight. Some will fight for a little time and back off. Maybe because they don't have a genuine reason why they should continue that fight, or there's no much evidence for them to use to do backup. And some people will just think, okay, let me just leave this thing. But me, you see as this thing they go so because this guy made some statement that you guys need to hear. You need to hear from his own mouth. For him to call this country a monster, I think he might have noticed or experienced some kind of things. See, you understand? But what you are going to do for me to help me now is just subscribe to this channel and make sure you watch this video to the very end. God bless you. God bless you. God bless you. Let us hear from Dele Farotimi himself. Oh yeah, now watch.
The thing I need all of you to know is this: I am not unmindful of the sacrifices that you have made to be here today. May the grace of God find and locate you wherever you are. Amen. It is not ever an easy journey when you are fighting evil. Yes. But some years back, before I started this work, God told me very clearly, and I heard it very clearly. It says, once have I spoken, once has he spoken, twice have I heard. He says, the truth is enough. It is the only weapon by which you can slay the monster called Nigeria. The truth, nothing else. In my public advocacy, in my fight and my wars against this evil empire that we all live in, I have never lied against anyone. If I don't know, I'll say I don't know. That's true.
You know me, I see this guy as a fighter, a warrior, and a man of his words, because he made mention some points that someone just need to, you know, reflect on and juxtapose. He made mention of monster. I think he is referring to some set of people, and I believe if this is not happening, he will surely not have mentioned that. So that's number one. He now said he had never lied before. I think you heard that statement from him. He had never lied, and he will continue to say the truth. So I just hope and believe that it is not a continuous battle. Maybe after the new year, we don't know what is going to happen, but for now, I think the man is living in his freedom and is living well, and I believe he's happy now. So God Almighty will continue to guide and protect us. It is where, this is where we find ourselves. With each new day, they see different things. Many things where you know if you even explain, you don't even know how to express yourself. Most times you find it difficult just to say the truth. But this man said he will continue to say the truth no matter what. Are you getting it? So many people call Nigeria a zoo. I've been hearing that. So you hear from here they are shouting Yoruba Nation. You hear from the other side they are shouting Biafra. And even for now, outside on the para. Audu and waiting then they call them Audu and Rabiu and Memudu. Everybody on the para now. Anyway, this is Nigeria we find ourselves, and I believe God Almighty will take control by the special grace of God. Thank you for watching Accord TV. Continue to subscribe and watch us for more interesting videos. Bye-bye.